up! Wait! You're on! Oh, where are you down there? Cheeky buggers. They ain't even in Newcastle. Get out of there! Hey! How come you down that road? You're on! Steady on! Get out of that brambles. Get out of it! This one in front, I call a fatty. There's a white one, reminds me of one on Vancouver Island, the farm uptown. Not exactly like, a bit like this one. She's called 5772. Hey! Hike up! Or I should say, hard jet song. Get on! She's the slowest one, the whole herd. Always last, these two are last. It's quite a tallish cow there. The rest are really short. I mean, that's what you call normal size. On in Canada, they'll be a lot bigger. They're all like that, if not bigger. These ones are very small. There's some jerseys in here, some browns, some chocolates. Yeah, so there's a mix. But we took out a lot of jerseys. Pops it back. She's a bit like one of my favourite ones I used to have on Vancouver Island. Now we're on the last section, downhill, zigzag towards the parlour. Hey, bye. Hey! Cheeky bird. Hey! Look up! Well, trying to get him up now. The buggers are cheeky, eat everything they get. Get out of it! Hey! See the cheeky buggers getting in now. Go on, you! Hike up! See, they're all in this trees here. Get out of it! Hey, wow! You milked. Cheeky buggers, get at it! Get on now! Hey, up! Hey! Get on, girl! Hey! Get at it! Come on now! Buggers! Get out of it! Up there! Tasty, is it? Hello, Mac? Hey! Flipping ball, get out of it! Get out now! Hey, where's what job to get these in? As long as you get me out. Go on, ball! Go on! Up there! Hey! Hey up! All these chocolate brown ones. Go on, chocolates! Get up there, ball! Wake up! Bye! Come on now! Oh, don't you be a silly bugger! You're the wrong way. Get out of it! Hey. Now we're just going to check some heifer here. I suppose. See all the cloud over there, mist, ocean over there. Oh, it's broken down. Oh crap, we built the fence on. What the heck? We thought that. Where's the field? a little update, just checking up the heifers up here, the hills. A little shout out to my friends, my beautiful girlfriend, and Jason, good Canadian friend. Not actually right in Canada right now, because I'm a dual citizen. I'm back on the Isle of Man, so I work now here at a dairy farm. We have a lot of land up here in the hills, a lot of young stock, but we're going to check them. So just seeing where the water is, because I don't seem to get much water. So, yep, just doing my normal everyday job, milking cows and looking after the stock for the boss. Okay, take care, bless you all. Alright, now I'm up another section of the fields, quite far away from where I was before. Well, it's way over there actually before. So these ones are now due to calve in the autumn, fall. So a few months away. So we're going to check them regular. Sometimes you get early ones, sometimes late, sometimes dead calves, so you're going to check them. Regular, beautiful day. Blue skies here. Yep, so again a shout out to my good friend Jason from Canada, and obviously number one is my beautiful Thai girlfriend, which future will be bright with. And yeah, these are heifers here. These will be milking this fall in the parlour, which I operate and work 12 days out of 14, so it's pretty tiring. And now I was up at 3:50 AM. I was at 3:55. I just woke up a few minutes before. I get here, start 4:30, feed the calves, milk the cows, do the jobs, check chores, feeding. And it's Thursday today, so soon I'm going to be going off. We go to a swimming pool, some Wynam, go swimming. Because I agreed with my boss, that's what I should do on a Tuesday or Thursday, like I used to do always in Canada. So now I get to still keep my training, minimum 3 times a week. Wynam, swimming in Thai. Hey, you wake up. Okay. Yeah, I'll come to see the quad. And the camera. Hey. Getting to know me. So yeah, this is nature's most natural way of farming is on the hills. We're outside. The other cows, oh, you can barely see them. So you can see the camera's so bright you can't see. Way down there's a field. And they're over there today. The last bit of grass. Get them across later. A lot of campers down there, campground. That is Saturday starts the practice for the Ironman TT races. So people are starting to get camped and enjoy the time off. Wow, this weather's unique. I didn't think it would like this. Normally though it does either rain or cold or windy or still and beautiful. No wind today, it's all about the wind. You got a cow here nudging me. Oh, the other video cut off, so hopefully got it. Well, these are pretty happy, so I'm trying to eat my quad here. Let's have a look for any calves are out. Just got some water now. And I should be going swimming in Wynam soon. Yes. Alright, take care, bye, look on cap. Okay, now I told you there was some forestry trails and stuff up here. So it's all around here. There is some some woodlands, some forestry, some bike trails. A lot of people use like motorcycles and stuff rather than mountain bikes, but there is some mountain biking as well. And over there, that is Snaefell. That's the tallest hill or mountain you would call it on the island. And from there is the only place that I know of in the UK that you can see Scotland, England, Wales and Ireland all in one 360 viewing. It's the only place as far as I know. Wake up, hey! Hey bull, move! Hey, yeah. Bring us, come on! Oh, none of yours! Hey! Wake up! Wake up! Hey! Hi, you! Wake up! Take poo cup! D. Ah. Wake up! Oh! Okay, go, bye! Down you go! Hey, good! Yeah, all in now. Like that.